E is for igloo. E is for yes. E is for igloo. Igloo. Now paste. E is for igloo. Igloo. Do work. E is for igloo. Igloo. Shop. Come here. You come here, please. Gohan, E is for igloo. It's okay. Take more paper.